Hello all, welcome to Ambari Cloud YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk through Snowflake catalog link database, how we're gonna configure and how to set up in Snowflake, and what is the use of this catalog link database. Let's say if you have a Spark cluster or Polaris catalog or any other catalog, and then the Spark does all the ETL work, data as code, concept, wrap, write, audit, publish, and also And also Spark does maintenance, like, rewrite your data files and compacting, expert snapshots and or removing orphan files and all that stuff. And then, of course, we use Spark to do a lot of data transformation, medallion architecture to build, and, extracting data from different sources. Then we need a Snowflake here to build a data warehouse or to build a dashboards. And then, users want to read this data via Snowflake. So we can build a catalog link database. Previously, we used to build external tables, which is read-only, but now with catalog link database, we can reference same tables which built by Spark from Snowflake, and also we can add a new tables from Snowflake, and Spark can read it. So here, both Spark and Snowflake managing same tables. So you can Spark and Snowflake can read write, and they can alter table. And then when you load data from Spark, then data will be automatically refreshed. You can see the data from Snowflake. So, but physically, all the data stored in one location. We are not duplicating the data in Snowflake. So that is the beauty of catalog link database. So end users, for them, it is a Snowflake table, but actually it is managed by other engine too, right? And then so you can do all the CRUD operations, insert, delete, updates, and then from Spark, um, you can also do the thing, and then we can also do the maintenance. Then also Snowflake implements the hierarchical directory structure now, like a Hive directory structure. All this can be done with catalog link database. So I'm going to walk through quickly how we're gonna set up. Okay, so you're gonna use role admin. Then here I'm going to create a catalog link database catalog integration. So here, this is my location of Polaris catalog, and then this is my warehouse in Polaris or namespace, and then, of course, credentials. Then I'm going to refresh, every 30 seconds, then, or it depends on how you want to refresh. But, more often refresh, it may cost you a little bit because, engine needs refresh the most recent metadata JSON. So then, of course, we're gonna grant it to users and all that stuff. So here, my Snowflake connected to Polaris catalog, right? Polaris catalog, and using credential vending. Remember this one. This is where I'm, instead of external volume, right? External volume is the Snowflake knows where actually the files are located, right? You have to do an external volume configuration. But now with the credential vending concept, there is no need of explaining. There is no need of configuring external volume to yours in your Snowflake. And this way, then, we are associating your file location with Snowflake through credential vending. So Snowflake requests to your catalog knows exactly where is your file's location, then it will give to the Snowflake engine, then, it will manage your file. Similarly, Spark, right? It connects to your Polaris catalog, and then credential vending returns the tokens, and then Spark writes into your files. So that's how the credential vending works. Then once you're done, then you're going to create a catalog link database. Okay, you create database, right? Then link catalog. So where is this, database is actually linked to, and then, okay, this is my credential vending. And then what namespaces in the warehouse I can connect to multiple, but, generally for each schema, you're going to create a separate catalog link database. Is easy to manage in Snowflake, particularly if you have massive tables are coming in. So here, this is catalog which is created here, and then you what namespace. If you look at here, my databases, right? It is not there. So I'm going to create. So what it does is basically through catalog link, connect to Polaris, and then, so if you look at here, and then this is a market right now, then there's no tables yet, right? So, but it's connected to the market schema, and then, every 30 seconds it does. Also, you can do table level refresh, and then, or you can do catalog level, or you can do individual table level. So you can, depends on how you want to do. So this is what the catalog link database in Snowflake, great feature. Then it allows you um, to build multi-engine concept. So whenever you are designing in Snowflake, think about catalog link database. So then, because you're allowing other engines to read, write your Snowflake data and vice versa. So great feature. If you're doing architecture in Snowflake, I recommend doing design in the catalog link database way, and then of course iceberg tables. Of course, this is meant for iceberg, right? And then you can have a Spark. You can do data as code concept. Basically, you can do branching, tagging, and then also you can do all your maintenance and easy to implement via a Spark. Okay. So in the next, the whole setup, right? Basically, whole setup in the Spark writing into the Polaris catalog, and then Snowflake reading it, and then Snowflake writing into your Polaris catalog tables, and Spark reading it. So I will look at that. Thank you.